server.
This what happen when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways, got way too complicated for me. I hope she's waiting for me. Everywhere she go, they playing my songs. That's why I say the things that I say that way. I know you can't ignore me, but so, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me, break it down. Yeah. Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, have sex and then blow dang. I shouldn't play no games with you, just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we didn't speak. That was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do. Man, it's true. Exes change. Yeah. Hey. Guess you changed for the better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo. But I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. So, yeah. So give me all of you in exchange.